Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back at you with my unboxing of the Nokia 7.1. So I'll be comparing this with the Nokia 6.1, which only came out 6 months ago, but both are Android One phones. So I thought I'd show them to you next to each other. There's the specs of each. You can see the Nokia 6.1 has a plastic back, while the Nokia 7.1 is glass front and back. 6.1 has those nice copper sides. That's not on the 7.1, but you can take a look and see that basically they have the same kind of configuration. Both, of course, do have a headphone jack, and there's the difference in size. The 6.1 is your standard 16 by 9. 7.1 is 19 by 9 aspect ratio, which of course it's much thinner. It's a tiny bit taller, but much easier to hold. So let's take a look around the phone. There's your power button, your volume up and down. There's your headphone jack and mic. On the left side, you've got your SIM tray, also for your SD card, and on the bottom you've got your mic, USB Type-C in, and speaker. On the back, your 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel cameras, your fingerprint sensor, Nokia branding, Android One branding. Up front, your notch, your 8 megapixel camera. Your rear camera will shoot at 2160p and 1080p at 30 fps, and your front camera 1080p at 30 fps. And we'll turn it on, see if we can get this booted up, and I'll come back to you. So now we're fully booted up. Of course, being Android One, it's got that stock Android look and feel. This launcher reminds me of the Google Now launcher, which was my favorite until they took it away. So that's the Nokia 7.1. I like the look of it. It feels really good in my hand. Of course, I'll be comparing it with the 6.1 and with other devices, of course. $349 on Amazon. We're going to find out if it's worth it. Comes in two colors, blue and steel. Of course, it's GSM, so it'll work on T-Mobile, AT&T, and their MVNOs. Amazon has it listed as an Amazon choice, so that is usually a good sign. So that's my unboxing of the Nokia 7.1, folks. We'll be doing many tests with this. I'll leave a link in the description. And as always, comments are welcome. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.